Derivatives of functions in parametric form. See, if two variables x and y are in terms of a third variable, the third variable is known as parameter. Let y equal to a function of t, f of t, and x is a function of t, where t is the parameter. In such case, how can we find the derivative of y with respect to x? That is derivatives of functions in parametric form. That means two variables are in terms of a third variable. That third variable is known as parameter. Let us do examples. Let x is equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta. Here the third variable or the parameter is theta. Okay. Now in order to get the derivative of the function y with respect to x, we have to find first derivative of y with respect to theta, which is the parameter with respect to that parameter. Then derivative of x with respect to theta, and divide first one by second one. Then we will get derivative of y with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Now first we have to find dy by d theta. Y means a sin theta. So dy by d theta means a cos theta. X means a cos theta. So dx by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Now replace here dy by d theta and dx by d theta. So it becomes a cos theta by minus a sin theta. Cancel a, then we will get minus cos theta. So here we got the derivative in the parameter theta. One more example. Let y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta. Now first find dy by d theta, that is equal to a into derivative of 1 is 0, then derivative of cos theta. So minus cos theta is derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. That is 0 plus sin theta, that is a sin theta. Now derivative of x with respect to theta, that is dx by d theta is equal to a into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 plus derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. That is equal to a sin theta divided by a into 1 plus cos theta. We can cancel a, that is sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Now we can simplify it further. We know sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta means 2 theta becomes its half. So theta become its half, that is half theta. That is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Same way 1 plus cos theta become 2 cos square theta by 2. Cancel 2 2. We can cancel 1 cos theta by 2. Remaining sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, that is equal to tan theta by 2. Let us discuss another question. If x equal to root a raised to sin inverse t, y equal to root a raised to cos inverse t, prove that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. We can do it in two different ways. Either you can directly find dx by dt, dy by dt, then same as the previous question. Here the parameter is t. Okay. And another method. See, just multiplies x and y, x into y. Okay. So root of a number into root of another number. That is same as root of a raised to sin inverse t into a raised to cos inverse t. That is equal to root of a raised to m into a raised to n form. Then a raised to m plus n. A raised to m plus n. So sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. That is equal to root a raised to, see, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So here also we can apply sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So we got xy is equal to root a raised to pi by 2. It is a constant, isn't it? A is a constant, then a raised to pi by 2 is also a constant. Okay. So we can directly differentiate both sides with respect to x. So xy left side, here you have to use the product rule. So x into dy by dx plus y into 1. X into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is equal to right side completely becomes 0 because it is a constant. Okay. That is x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. X into dy by dx is equal to minus y. So x dy by dx is equal to minus y divided by x. So some problems we have to simplify and do the calculation or do the derivation. Okay. Otherwise you have to directly do by dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. But it will take time. It's a lengthy method. That's why you have to remember some questions and how to do that easily. Okay.